Greetings everyone, and welcome back to Shiba Kai. Ryoshi has now revealed his identity to the open. This will cause Shiba Inu to go into overdrive. Shib News: in January of 2022, Ryoshi Kusama, the main creator of the Shiba Inu, sent a message on Twitter that caused owners of the Shiba Inu to speculate. Ryoshi seems to be dropping hints about something that pertains to the Shiba community. The formation of a new coalition is drawing near, Shiran. Ryoshi's letter, which was rather ambiguous, stated that he had a discussion with his mentor, during which he came to the realization that it would be challenging for him to remain invisible until the year 2022 came to a close. He came to the conclusion that once the identity is known, the real fun can begin. In this video, we will talk about Ryoshi's identification that was recently exposed. It is about time for Shiba to take off. In order to access our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing estimates for Shiba Inus, please visit our Ship News page. Please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to the channel before you leave. Let's get the video started straight away, shall we say. It would appear that Ryoshi will reveal his identity if one were to take the statement at face value. Nevertheless, this does not correspond with the expectations, which causes viewers to speculate about who he is. Ryoshi made the announcement on Christmas Eve that Shara will be arriving very soon, while also indicating that it may be launched not long after the new year takes place. Shara is an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution that has evolved into something far more than a meme coin. This includes the hosting of metaverse and gaming applications, in addition to the launch of the SHCI stablecoin, which is tied to the value of 0.1. Recent blog posts regarding the Shiba Inu ecosystem have featured a number of articles on Shib the Metaverse, including concept art reveals of various virtual world locations. These articles pertain to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Since the beginning of this year, the value of the shibatoken has decreased by 76%, which is equivalent to the reductions that have been recorded in Ethereum and Bitcoin. On Monday, Ryoshi, the covert founder of Shiba Inu, deleted all of his articles and posts on social media, which has led to speculation on the future of the project. Furthermore, he has not made any public statements regarding the matter, and his Twitter account is currently inactive. Ryoshi, the lead developer, expressed his thoughts during the meeting in response to Ryoshi's apparent abandoning of Shiba Inu. In the post, Ryoshi stated that he was unaware of Ryoshi's disappearance. However, in an effort to allay fears, he declared that he would take over the project and realize Ryoshi's vision. This vision includes Shiv, Leash, Bone, Treat, Shibaswap, Sachi A, Shiram, and the establishment of Shiba meetups, and eventually a Shibon. Ryoshi's declaration was made in an effort to allay fears. It can be seen from the chart that the price of the Shiba Inu has moved to the south. During the same time period, the value of Shiba Inu has failed to make any progress and has dropped some support lines. After losing more than 6% of its market value, the SHIB has now established a pattern that indicates the currency may see a breakout to the upside on the following day. This would be a positive development. Within the context of the daily chart, the technical forecast continues to show signs that are bearish. The majority of this month has been spent with sellers actively controlling the pricing of their products. Despite the fact that buyers still need to intervene and save the day, SHIB is still able to make an upside breakthrough. Based on the technical analysis, it appears that the currency may have a decline on its chart during the current trading session, followed by a subsequent increase. The decrease in the amount of trade for SHIB lends credence to the notion that the number of purchasers in the market has remained relatively modest. The current price of Shiba is 90% lower than its all-time high, which was hit approximately 1 year ago. The Shiba Inu price continued to fall from the 0.82 support line during the course of the preceding week, despite the fact that trading hands were involved. Due to the fact that there is still a lack of purchasing power, it is anticipated that the Shiba Inu will go below the 0.0008 barrier. The fact that it has formed a triangular pattern that is symmetrical is evidence that a breakout could result in an increase in the price of the currency. The initial local support for the meme coin was approximately 0.0000076. It is anticipated that the meme coin would break out after this, because to the breakthrough, the price of Shiba Inu will increase to 0.824, and if that resistance is overcome, it will reach 0.86. Otherwise, it will maintain its current level. As a result of the drop in the quantity of Shiba Inus that were traded during the most recent session, there were a very small number of potential buyers. Over the course of the months of November and December, SHIB was in the zone of seller domination. Due to the present reduction in prices, the relative strength index has dropped below the threshold of 40. As of the time this article was written, the readings of the indicator indicate that the number of sales exceeded the number of purchases, which is a negative sign. The same thing happened with SHIB. It went below the 20 simple moving average line because of the lack of demand, which indicated that sellers were the ones driving the price movement in the market. In the event that SHIB maintains its position above the 0.0008 threshold, the meme money will increase over the 20 SEK ad. Additionally, other technical indicators have provided support for the notion that the value of SHIB may decrease, as shown on its chart. The parabolic simple moving average, SAR, provides insight into the trend and prices of the asset. The fact that the indicator is located above the candlesticks representing the price indicates that the price is continuing to fall. The moving average convergence-divergence is a metric that gives an indication of price momentum as well as trend reversals. As a result of the fact that the redistograms from the May CED continued to exist, traders were urged to sell their ships, since this indicated that the price of ships might increase in 2022. From a broad standpoint, the Bitcoin market was not the best. There were a lot of other circumstances that contributed to the price of cryptocurrencies remaining low, in addition to a prolonged bear market. Nearly all cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and other alternative cryptocurrencies, are currently trading at prices that are 60% to 90% lower than their all-time highs. The Shiba Inu, which is the second largest meme currency, is another example of this phenomenon. There is currently no information available regarding the identity of the mysterious person who is hiding behind the name. Nevertheless, a screenshot that contains some intriguing information was revealed in one of the most recent tweets that was sent out by the user shouldbp. It is displayed in the screenshot. The Kusama has posted a message on Discord in which he asserts that he has had a conversation with his mentor and that they have both come to the conclusion that it will be impossible for him to remain invisible by the end of the year. In just a few days, the year 2022 will come to a close. Also, the message was delivered on the 21st of January, 2022. He went on to say that the true excitement starts when you have to do more than merely align and disrupt a business while remaining invisible. When Kusama made his promise to reveal his true identity to the general public, it is still unknown whether or not he will follow through on his promise. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, despite its early reputation as a malicious coin, is rapidly developing into a blockchain that is built on value. However, in order to achieve the objective, it is necessary for it to lessen its dependency on obsolete technology such as Ethereum. This was the motivation behind